This video guide is about getting rid of the malicious pop-ups related to the site News-gepepe.cc. News-gepepe.cc is a really deceptive site. It attacks Google, Chrome, and other browsers. It tries to make you click on Allow button supposedly as a part of some browser checkup. However, in reality, it's a mistake to click on that Allow button because this would hijack the browser with plenty of intrusive advertisements that will keep attacking the screen in the form of repeated web push notifications. So if you have mistakenly clicked on Allow, make sure you fix your browser urgently. Access the menu, go to Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, and in the Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites, allow it to send notifications. If you find this News-gepepe, remove it from the list, and also remove other dangerous sites if you find them on the list. Carefully, one by one, get rid of them. I would also recommend that you research the computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then once the program is successfully installed, start investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and remove other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.